SMR, this stock has rallied from about $6 to a high of 20 in the last couple months here. We already know nuclear stocks are performing really well. NNE is another example of a nuclear stock that I recently traded with profits around this 25 level. It's actually setting up once again a really big move, nice volume. Now we're seeing some consolidation with a decline in volume, supply is drying up. The idea here is simply to look for it to break out of this consolidation with some strong volume as the stock attempts to make the next leg higher and continue this strong momentum. BFLY is another setup that has my interest, more than 200% in about 7-8 sessions. This is a good VCP. As you can see, guys, the range has tightened up consistently throughout this consolidation, flagging up really nicely. All the stock needs, like many of the other setups we look at, is a breakout with some strong volume, confirm the action. Robinhood doing very well. It's been pushing higher due to just the strength of crypto and a lot of speculative growth companies seeing some nice moves, which definitely boosts retail trading volumes. Consolidating. As you can see, the range is pretty tight. The volume has declined. Note that we do have earnings coming up in a few days, so let's see how that performs first. But nonetheless, it is something I'll be watching this week. This right here is a textbook setup, CAPR. Now, from a technical standpoint, this is as good as it gets. The stock has made a move from $5 to 20, did it in about 7-8 sessions, and here it is now, VCP. As you can see, throughout this range, we're seeing a consistent breakout key level of about 22 with higher lows. Moving with the moving averages, it shows it has a lot of relative strength, it's holding up well, there's accumulation, supply is drying up, hence volume going down. I like what I see here. The important thing to note on CAPR is that it's a biotech, meaning it has a lot of idiosyncratic risk. That implies that this stock is heavily influenced by specific catalysts that could just blindside us. So typically I'm not a big fan of trading biotechs, but in this instance, it's such a good setup, I would probably give it a pass. The important thing here is that we see strong volume on the breakout because it's already faked out a couple times. A lot of stocks like this on lower volume can fake out a move to the upside, and without big volume to confirm, it would not be worth getting in something like this. SNDL or Sundial, this is a cannabis stock that earlier in the year in March rallied from about $1.35 to $3, and since it's been in a consolidation, VCP tightening up over the next several months, begun to break out right above that resistance breakout level.